fax it and bring it right over here to us, okay?
All right. Appreciate it. Just knocked off 2 iPhone 11s for a lucky follower, subscriber. Somebody's gonna get these. You see the drip on the toes. But yeah, so make sure you guys tune in, because next Friday, definitely giving these away. When I get to a little quieter spot, I'll give you guys the full details on how you can win.
All right, guys, so I just made it back to the crib. If you watched this far, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. If you've never seen any of my videos, I pretty much aim to give you guys financial just tips, you know, things you can invest in, businesses you can start, right? But not only that, I give you a whole ride into my life. I vlog, right? And I'm doing something special for you guys that really, you know, give your time to watch my videos. Hit the like button, subscribe, follow me on the ground, right? If you're not following me on the ground, make sure you go to Rich Off the Net right now, right? Hit the follow button, turn on post notifications, because we give away daily cash, guys, so you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. But today, I'm actually doing a huge giveaway. Y'all seen we stopped at the iPhone store. I know y'all was probably wondering, like, why they at the iPhone store? Because I picked up 2 iPhones just for you guys, for always showing love, because I appreciate you guys' love, because you like family. You're not just a subscriber. You're not just a watcher or a view. I don't do this for the money, guys. I really do this, you know, for the people who just want more out of life, and just to, you know, maybe tell my story to help yours. And you know, when you guys give me that type of energy by watching my videos, showing love, sending me messages on Instagram, giving me likes, I just want to send back some appreciation to you guys. I'm always about giving. I've always been a giver. I just never been able to give on camera. And now with this platform, you know, I just want to put that energy out into the world. So I picked up 2 iPhones for you guys. They're literally for any carrier. They're the iPhone 11s, new iPhone 11s. I have a red one, and then I have the green one. So I might choose a boy and girl, or I don't know. I just choose 2 random people, and I'll ship them off to you guys. So good luck on that. To get involved with the giveaway, guys, you gotta understand, you have to be a subscriber to the channel, right? So if you stumbled across this video because of the title or something like that, you have to be a subscriber to the channel. Not only do you have to be a subscriber to the channel to get extra points, you probably should just go down below, leave a comment, hit the like button, and then follow me on Instagram, right? And you can literally get a chance to win this prize. I'll do them every single Friday. Stay tuned for the post for this. It'll have the complete instructions on how you can win these iPhones, guys. I'm gonna have the complete instructions in this video too, just so you guys can have the complete instructions. You see these boxes, these are not giveaways, but people always ask me about the drip and the type of shoes that I like. So I picked up a couple of, you know, pieces, and I'll unbox them with y'all just so you can see what I picked up. Me, my wife, my girl, we all gotta stay drippy. Here's some shoes right here. So we're gonna get into that. But guys, this isn't about that. This is about these iPhone giveaway, for making it this far in the video, man. So I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, guys, and head on over to Rich Off the Net on Instagram. Follow that, turn your post notifications on, and look for the iPhone giveaway post with the full details, guys, and you'll have a chance to win this, guys. So let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna unbox these. Be right back. So let's check these shits out. So don't forget, man, subscribe, hit the like button, giveaway, iPhone, head over to Rich Off the Net. Make sure you're tuned in. And if you just stumbled across this video, you don't know what's going on, I'm giving away 2 iPhones right now, just because we're in giving season, man. I appreciate everybody who shows me love. I appreciate everybody who watches the video, subscribes, likes, hits me up on Instagram saying my story impacts your story. I appreciate you. So I'm just giving away 2 iPhones to show my appreciation. We're in giving season. If you don't know me, right, I'm Rich Off the Net. Literally, my name is like literally self-explanatory. I got rich off the internet from running online businesses and showing thousands and thousands of people how to tap into the foreign markets and cryptocurrencies. I literally run one of the biggest cryptocurrency and foreign exchange market academies all over online. So a lot of people ask me what I do. You know, I literally built a business from zero to $100 million business with some of my business partners, created a lot of success stories. For all you people asking me what I do, you know, I'll shoot a video for you too. If you don't already watch my videos, you know, I have a lot of other videos that kind of show what I do, guys. So, but don't forget, this is really just about y'all. We're in giving season. Thanksgiving season, so I want to give you guys these iPhones and a lot of more giveaways coming for you guys. I give away cash daily on Instagram, so follow me on Rich Off the Net if you're not. So anyway, we're gonna show off these shoes. First pair. Okay, you already know these ain't even mine. These are my girls. These them shattered backboards. If y'all didn't pick those up, you lost. Because those is hot. I'm not really a Jordan guy, but I really love the ones. The ones are just so fly to me. When I was broke, they was $100. So instead of spending $200 or something, I used to just cop these. It was like a cop out. But they ended up becoming real cool shoes. So, you know, that was a win. So they got those two. I think this is another pair for one of them. Some more ones. I don't really know who these are. They might be my girls. So, a lot of people ask me where I get my shoes from. I got some of these from North. So, let me check out, so y'all can check out the real drip. What I'm coming like now, guys. Dead ass. Go get your fire extinguisher. Cause this shit, bruh. I don't think they're ready. See, man, these is hot. These are waffles. If you know, you know. Just know when you see me with them, how we rocking, man. Waffles on deck. I don't even know. I got another pair, but those are fire. Sheesh. Let's see what's in these. I got so many shoes, man, and shoes on the way. I don't even be knowing what's really in these joints. You see where I get them from. I mean, shout out Flight Club. Been copping them for them from years. You see these are just some nice grown man ones. You already know, gold toes. Some real nice. On one of them nights where you want to be little low key but shiny in the background, you feel me? Let me know. Was these a hot pick, which I cop drop? Let me know in the comments. Let's see what these is. These is hot. I forgot what these is called. These are the I don't know. Who cares? They fly. I ain't really even a name guy like that, man. I got so many. I usually just wear Yeezys or Gucci flip-flops. So let me pull these out. I should pull out both because it's like two sides. Anyway, last shoe. Oh, yeah, I got the back. I got the shatters too. Some nice shatters too. You know, something slight, something light. Yeah. So just a couple pickups, shatters, waffles, gold toes, OG ones, split. So yeah, I just wanted to pull these out real quick, let you guys see some of the pickups. What I got, something like anyway. Make sure you guys subscribe right now, hit the like button, leave a comment below, and I have full details how you guys can win this iPhone. Like I said, every single Friday doing a giveaway, guys. So I appreciate you guys. More to come. Yo, so I get a lot of people who ask me, you know, when should I start investing? And I tell people all the time, it's two different answers because there's two different type of people asking that question, right? You might have that person who's just out of their mama's house. They're 18, they're 21. They just dropped out of college. They're in college. They, they're living the life of a grown person for the first time, right? And then I have an answer for that person. And then you have that answer for the person, older with kids, lives a family, and they just want to make some extra income, or maybe they have huge dreams to run a business. So it's two type of answers that I have for people like that. And I just remember back when I got started with business, and my answer for myself, I can't really push you to do anything, but I know what helped me. My answer for myself was right away, get started right away, fail right away, try it out right away, be scared right away. And that brought me a lot of results, right? So when people ask me, for that younger generation, when should I start investing? When should I run a business? And the answer is right away, because this is your generation to be successful. Like, being successful has never been easier than right now. And if you're young, it's an advantage, right? Being young used to be a disadvantage in business. They were like, oh, these young guys, they can't stay consistent. They can't be focused. They're all over the place, right? And now those same things are a good thing, right? They're all over the place. Their mind is all over the place. Like, those are good things because you have good ideas. And so you got to understand, this era is for you, right? No matter what your age is, as long as you have the goal, as long as you have the consistency, as long as you have the drive, and long as you can find a mentor, someone that can point you in the right direction on how to skip the losing part of success, right? Someone to say, hey, I went through this, I did that, and I may have did it the right way, or I might have did it the wrong way. Let me tell you which is the right way, to kind of help you defeat time, like compress time, right? So definitely find you guys some mentors. So if you're a younger person, it's definitely right away, because you have nothing to lose, right? If you're 19, you're 21, you literally can fail for the next 10 years and still have time to be a winning story. So now if you're a little older, let's say you're, 30, 35, 40, your real question has to be is, how important is success to you, right? Because, you've lived the life, what your lessons are. You might can still learn, of course, you can never stop learning, but you know what you need to be doing, right? You tell yourself every single day in your brain, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do this, I need to do that. I don't have a six pack, but I tell myself every single morning I need to go to the gym, and I don't have one, right? So I know that is a decision. So then you have to really look at yourself. When people ask me, when should I start investing, and they're a little older, you have to ask yourself, is investing just a cool thing to you? Because I understand being an entrepreneur is like being a new ball player. It's like the new rapper. Everybody wants to do it. But the true question is, how many people need to do it? They have to do it. When I started, I felt like I have to do this. I have no other choice, or life is over. Right? A lot of people have a lot of options, especially older people. They're already in their life. They already have kids, so it may be hard for them to listen to a mentor. It may be hard for them to be coachable. So if you're asking yourself when you should invest, the main question is, when should you let go of all the things that you was raised on and all the things you came up on? Because you have to literally try new things to get new results. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you never met me, guys, definitely hit the like button. Definitely subscribe. Head over to Instagram, Rich Off the Net, Twitter, Rich Off the Net, guys. I give away a lot of giveaways, and I'm literally doing this just to spread the word on opportunity, spread the word on belief, spread the word on, consistency of what you can do, no matter where you're from, how you came up, what you've gone through. It doesn't matter. You can be the next success story. I showed off some of my kicks just to show y'all guys the drip. But guys, this is for you. Next Friday, we'll have something else. I'm having a huge giveaway when I hit 250,000 subs, guys. 250,000 subs, huge giveaway. And I'm going to keep doing giveaways all the way up to the end. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, head over to Rich Off the Net. Stay tuned. Let's get it. Let's go. We out.